Hello friends, in this project we are controlling the speed of the vehicle for the miners. Now this project will be helpful for the learners that they should not go above the speed limit. Now how the project is working, this is the battery, that is the 12-volt battery that we will be using for the working of all the section. This is the EEPROM section that is having 24C8 C08 memory and also the switch to power on the system. This is the microcontroller section, which is having the microcontroller who is being interfaced with the LCD that is displaying the power. It is also being interfaced with the keypad, which is having the push to on the tactile switch from 1 to 9 and 0, then menu and back, and the motor through a motor driver IC, that is L29 3D, and also the IR. These are the IRs, infrared, to check whether the motor is working or not. Now how this project is working, first of all we'll provide the power by pressing on the switch. Now as you can see, the LCD is displaying something that is speed control for miners. When we press the menu button, we'll have three options: run, speed and password. Now what these things indicate, we can change the speed limit, and if we want to run we can run it. There is separate password for run, there is separate password for speed, so that if the father or the caretaker wants that his son or the minor should don't know the speed setting, then he can change and set the password accordingly of the speed. First of all, we will go to the password part. It has run password and speed password. There are two different passwords for both. First we'll go speed password. He'll ask the old password. The old password is 22222, and he'll ask the new password. We can set it to different one like 333, and the password is updated. If we check again, go to password, speed password, and enter 22222, he'll say wrong password. You can try again, and we can check by entering 333, and the password can reset to 22222. Now the speed limit. First of all, he'll ask the speed password, that's it, that is 22222, and he is displaying the old speed limit is 40. You can set your new speed limit, and that speed limit can't be greater than 200 199 actually. If I set it to 5 and 5, he'll say that maximum speed limit is 199. You can set below that. Like if I again change the speed, he'll ask the speed password, then I'll set it to 111. He'll change the speed limit to 111, but we'll set it again to 40. So he has displayed the new speed limit, and that will remain stored in this EEPROM section. And next part, the run part. Now we'll press the run. We'll come back to motor, enter the run password. Now when we enter the run password, he is asking the 3-digit speed. If we set the speed greater than the speed limit, like I set it to 080, then what we will see that set to the maximum value. Through 8 we can decrease the speed, like we have decreased the speed to 10, and the motor is rotating. As we can see, the motor is rotating. and if it stop rotating, then the third section will display 0. This is the speed limit, this is the actual speed, and this is if motor is rotating. If it stop in between, it will come to 0 again. Okay, so we'll first of all put this one to the open side and stop it so that it can easily rotate. Now as you can see, the motor is easily rotating. We increase the speed by 2, like we have now changed the speed to 20. The speed of motor is increased, and here it is displaying 20 regularly. Okay, and here you can see 2 is used to increment, 8 for decrement, and back for stop. So we can stop it by pressing back and it will get stop. This is all my project. Thank you.